So hello, welcome back everyone to Learning Phonics. I am Apurva and this is a continuation of the previous episode that we have covered. So let's get started with the remaining consonant blends. So we have completed till 6, so we will move further with number 7. So number 7 has SC, which is going to say sk, sk. Okay, so first one will be sk. A consonant E will say A, scale. See how it's saying sk, sk, ale, scale. Sk, air, scare. Okay, scare. Number 3 will be sk, oop, scoop. See, so why don't you tell me in the comments below if you know any words that start with the consonant blend SC. Okay, number 8 we have SK, sk. Again SC also says and SK also says sk, skate, sk, e, skip. Third we can see is sky, sky. Number 9, next one, that is sm, as in sm, small. Sm, smell. See, number 3, smooth, smooth, smoothie. See, number 10, as in snooze. Number 2, snail. And number 3, snow. See, and all the remaining words which you know that has the SK blend, SM blend, SN blend, you can comment down below. Alright. Okay, next one, that is number 11. We can see SP, that will say sp, as in first one sp, a, space. Number 2, sp, I, d, spider. 3, sp, I, spill. Okay, number 12, ST. How to blend ST? Simple, st. So first one is going to be st, op, stop. Number 2 is going to be st, stem. Number 3, st, e, stick. See, number 13, that is BR. How are you gonna blend it? Brr, brr. Alright, so first one you can take is brr, broom. Number 2 you can take is brr, bread. And third one you can take, there are so many words, you can take brr, brick. Okay, number 14, CR. So how you blend it? Cur and cur, as in crab, crab. Number 2, cur, crack. And third one, crown. Alright, so next one we can take it here. 15, dr will be dr, as in number 1, dragon. Number 2 you can take is drop. See, and number 3 you can take simple one, that is dress. Okay, 16, fur, F-R, fur, blend it, not fr, say fur. Number 1, first can be fur, from. Second one, fur, fries. Third one, fry, fry. Number 17, we can take gr, as in one, grow. Second, gray, gray. And third one, that is green. See, on number 18 we have pr. All right, p is gonna say, r is gonna say pr. Okay, not pr, pr. First one, pray, pray, you pray to the god. Second one, pray, pray. Third one, princess. So if you are teaching to your children, especially the girls, if you teach them how to write princess, they're gonna be very happy with that. They will be very happy with the word princess and unicorn and dress. You know, little girls are very obsessed with these words. So if you teach them spellings of what their favorite words are, they'll be more interested in it. Okay, that's how you can keep the children engaged for a longer time. All right, so this was the series where we have seen the consonant blends part 2. So there is a part 1 for those who have not seen it. Go check it out first and then watch this one. All right, and if this video has helped you in any way, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Learning Phonics. Until next time, have fun.